Welcome everybody. My name is Alberto Marquez. In this video, I will show you how to install the toolkits that come with Excel in order for you to have more capabilities for analysis of the information that you have. So this is Excel. Most of you would be familiar with it, and beyond the capabilities that it currently has as integrated functions and the menus at the top, there are yet more tools that you can use or integrate into the menu. Right now, if I go to data, I don't see these toolkits either in data or in view. It's neither is there. So you have to go to File in the top corner, and then the last option at the bottom says Options, and in there you have Add-ins. And if you select Add-ins, you see the applications that are not added into Excel, and we could add. So in order to be able to do that, we can aggregate those add-ins, for which we have this button at the bottom of the menu or the window, and now we can add. I am going to add 3 of them. The solver has more to do with integrated programming and optimization, which is not the topic of this discussion, but the analysis tool pack and the analysis tool pack for VBA both help for the statistical analysis of data. So we execute that, and now they should be integrated into our menus. If now I go to data, here in the top corner I can see data analysis. This data analysis, when I click on it, will bring to you a list of functions that you can integrate into your Excel, particularly for statistical analysis, which includes, among other things, analysis of variance, computations of correlation between 2 variables, or covariance, descriptive statistics in general, exponential smoothing, and others. We can test the most simple one now, which would be the descriptive statistics. So if I go and select click, now I get a menu for which I can specify where my data is. And here I have 700 plus rows of data in 8 columns. And based on this data, we can ask to obtain summary statistics, confidence 95% interval with respect to the mean, and identify the k largest or the k smallest. And we can specify to get this output in a different worksheet. In this case, I'm going to use the same worksheet. I need to specify the output region though. So I select the box and then select where the cell is going to be. So after I do that, I can execute. And it made the computations by column. So column 1 has, because I mentioned that the data was grouped by column, it is computing the most basic statistical information, including the central tendency measures like mean, median, and mode, and dispersion measurements like standard error, standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, the minimum and the maximum, and then some additional information: the total summation, the total count, and the confidence interval at 95% confidence with respect to the mean. And I can of course edit this data, make it more readable, and there you go. This is the information that we have. It looks like the mean fluctuates around 1000, and the standard deviation is around 390 for the first column. So we can do a comparison of these columns, etc. Anyways, the main thing was to show that you have the ability to install that toolkit, and the toolkit can produce some interesting results, and we are going to see more of it in the next videos. Thank you.